Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate dip, only way. Melt chocolate and heavy cream slowly over low heat while stirring constantly for a glossy texture. Season with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to brighten the flavor. Let the mixture cool until thick but still dippable, then transfer to a shallow dish and chill briefly so it holds its shape when serving together today. Start by chopping chocolate finely to ensure fast melting and a uniform texture. Heat heavy cream until steamy but not boiling, then pour over the chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes so the heat softens the pieces. Stir from the center outward until a silky ganache forms, then cool until it thickens just enough to coat fruit and cookies without sliding off, keeping the dipping experience warm and cozy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: try those leak-proof containers for storing leftover dip, and for tidy meal prep, they seal well and save messes in the fridge. They are a small time saver that pairs perfectly with make-ahead treats, and you can find the link in the description along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve the hot chocolate dip with an assortment of dippables like strawberries, banana slices, marshmallows, and biscotti for pleasant texture contrasts. Provide small skewers or forks so guests can dip neatly and avoid sticky fingers, and place warmers or low heat nearby if you plan to keep the dip gooey. If the dip firms up, warm it gently and stir until smooth again so every bite stays luscious and shareable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.